Hey there, it's Perry with Paper Crafting Threads. Today I have a paper pumpkin unboxing for you. This is the All the Little Things April 2023 kit. This month it's the shaded spruce spot, one of my favorite colors. The stamp set, with deepest sympathy, enjoy your day. I'm grateful for all the little things you do. Celebrate today. A nice berry sprig, a little flower, and an abstract dots pattern. A little preview of next month's kit, which is in color with the new 5 in colors that are coming next month. A free box organizer in this kit, which you can organize your ink spots in a paper pumpkin box, or you can also reconfigure it and then put your die cuts from the kits in there while you're creating. And here is the organizer. We have baker's twine, basic black, and calypso coral. We have Stampin' Dimensionals. Oh, and some very pretty iridescent gems. Die cuts with some iridescence on them. It is so pretty when it catches the light. Card base. We have card bases, so there's 3 of this pattern. Envelopes, which are all the same. 9 envelopes. There are 3 of this card base. More die cuts. Die cut labels. Three plain card bases. Oh, look at these cherry blossom die cuts. The iridescence on them. Just gorgeous. Looks like some card mats. More die cuts. And glue dots. And here are the instructions with some of the layouts that are suggested. And on the back are a few alternative ideas as well as a list of what's in the kit. And I will be putting together my own alternatives and sharing those with you. Thanks much. Bye.